Okay, what is going on, everyone, and welcome to either Kurt63 or Benjamin Reviews, or maybe both. Maybe that's where I'm gonna put this video, but we are here in my bathroom, and I know it's kind of a weird place to be, but I just got a brand new product from Beard Octane today in the mail, and I thought I would give you not only my first impressions, but first use of this product to see what it actually does. Now, I have had a product like this before, the solid beard wash bar. I've had one from another company that worked awesome. One of my favorite products. I was very upset when it was all gone. But then one of my favorite companies came out with their own version. Now you're saying to yourself, but Ben, I can just use soap on my beard. This is not soap. This is the solid beard wash puck. Okay, what this is if you take something like LCW and you take all the water out of it. So you dehydrate this and it turns into this. So what do you need to make this happen? You need to get your beard wet and you rub it on your beard, and then it should lather like nobody's business. We're going to find that out. We're going to jump in the shower here. We're going to give it the first test run ever. I got mine in the Envy scent, which is a cologne type of just so good. I absolutely love it. But I thought, hey man, this is do something a little bit different. You know, come in and I don't know. We'll see how it works and if I do any more of these or not. But all right, guys, we're gonna get clean here. Long day at the amusement park with my family today. I probably got a little sun, but I need to get all that off me. Water park, the whole 9 yards. Got to get clean. No better way than with some Beard Octane. All right, everyone. I'm going to hold my lapel mic now because I got nowhere to pin it. Directly out of the shower, wanted to give you my my initial impressions. Just what I had thought. Knocked it out of the park. As good, if not a little bit better, maybe, than the last beard wash bar that I had. As you saw, lathered amazing. The smell is incredible, and if you keep this thing dry, you don't want to keep it saturated. You notice that's the back of my shower where I had my phone set up. That is where I kept my old puck on a soap saver, and it kept it out of the moisture. You can take it out of the shower, you can dry it off, you can put it other places. That's perfectly fine. But the backside of my shower, away from the water, worked really well for the other one. You do not want this thing to remain saturated. Like I said, it is not a soap. It is a dehydrated beard wash. And I can tell right now this is going to be amazing. I got to go to the Grand Nationals, my kart racing here in a month, and instead of taking my LCW, which I would have no problem taking, now I'm going to be able to take this. It's small, it's compact, it's great for travel, that type of thing. Bottle of beard oil, beard wash, the two things that you absolutely need for a trip. This is a wonderful product. Remember, Ben10 will save you 10% off at Beard Octane. I'm just saying. Save a little bit of money. But if you're looking for something simplistic, if you're looking for something that works really, really well, the Beard Octane Beard Wash Bar is fantastic. Proof's right there. First time ever using it. First time on camera. What else can you say, man? Get you some. All right, guys. Later.